Welcome. If you're looking to cut down on distractions and stay focused while working, disabling push notifications for message reminders on LinkedIn is a smart move. In this guide, I'll walk you through the latest steps to turn off those message reminder alerts on your PC following LinkedIn's new update. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on Me to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a list of options. Click on Notifications. This section allows you to control what types of alerts you receive from LinkedIn. Now, under the notifications, you receive Heading, Find and click on the Messaging category. This is where you'll find all the notification settings related to your LinkedIn messages. Within the Messaging section, look for Message Reminders. Click on it to open the notification preferences specifically for message reminders. Here, you'll see the option for push notifications. Simply switch the toggle to Off to disable push notifications for message reminders. This means you'll no longer receive those pop-up alerts on your device when you have unread messages or reminders from LinkedIn. And that's it. You've successfully turned off push notifications for message reminders on LinkedIn using your PC. You'll still be able to check your messages whenever you want, but you won't be interrupted by constant reminders. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow these steps and switch the toggle back to on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused LinkedIn experience.